Welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. Today, another special. What is it? Frying pan beef and spinach lasagna. Now you gotta try this. It is lasagna, but it's not done in the original old-fashioned way. And you're going to see how I made this. It's all in one pan. It's done very, very fast, but it's absolutely out of this world. And you know, I make a lot of this when I just don't have time. So, take a look here. Let's go now. Get a deep dish pan and let's add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and let's bring that heat up to medium high. Let's add, say, about a medium white onion chopped, and let's add about 2 cloves of garlic chopped or sliced or minced, any way you prefer. Now after about 2 to 3 minutes, just to get the onions and garlic right, let's add about 1.5 pounds of medium ground beef. If you want, you can use lean, but you know, I like medium because it gives a better taste to the lasagna mixture. So I shall be back. Now for seasoning the meat, I'm using a pre-packaged seasoned meat. Well, it's kind of close to a bolognese, and I'm using the whole package here. If you don't want to do this and you want to do it from scratch, below where it says see more, I will have the recipe so you can make it from scratch. As for me, I don't have time, that's why I'm doing it this way. Now I browned the meat. You don't have to really cook it through. Now I'm adding 1 small jar of spaghetti sauce. What type? Your choice. And don't forget to put a little bit of water in the jar and bring out the rest. Now you can see that the sauce here is starting to be a little bit thick, so I'm going to only add half a cup of water because I still want it on the thick side, but if you prefer it a little bit more watery, not so thick, then go up to 1 cup of water. Now bring the heat down to medium and let's add 1 package of baby spinach leaves, and this is really gonna make it good. So don't worry about it overfilling the pan because everything is gonna go down just like this, so don't worry. Take a look at this. Isn't this awesome? Now this may sound crazy, but I want you to take about 1 to 2 lasagna sheets and just break it up like this and just throw it in and mix it in. You need to trust me on this. Now let's take some ricotta and just start blobbing it in just like this. How much? Well, again, that depends on you. And now let's not forget the mozzarella. Just chop it up and just throw it in just like this. How much? Again, it depends on you. And now I just want you to kind of stir it in and flip it over and bring all the cheese down to the bottom. Now take your lasagna sheets, break them right down the middle, and just start inserting them all the way around this mixture, around the pan, just like this. Once again, you need to trust me. Now some more lasagna sheets. Just break it and throw it on top, just like this. Could not be simpler. Are we done? Oh no. More ricotta. Don't forget to put the ricotta in. It's really, really going to be out of this world. Now don't forget the mozzarella. And here I put more because I want more mozzarella cheese melted on top. So, you know, go ahead and add it all. Well, by now the lasagna pieces on the side have kind of softened, so I just now want you to push them down, right down to the edge of the mixture, just like this. Now into the oven and use your grill, and we're going to let this go for a few minutes until all the mozzarella has melted. Okay, it's been about 6 minutes. Let's take a look. Look at this. Absolutely awesome. Lasagna in one pan. Very, very fast to make, very nutritious, and the taste is awesome. It is really, really good. You need to try this. Now this is an option. I'm sprinkling the mixture now with some basil, some dry basil. If you want, you can use fresh, or you can even use oregano or any other type of herbs. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I love parsley, so I have to add parsley to the top. Now I hope you try this. I know you're going to enjoy it. It is really, really fast. When you just don't have the time, try this. You're going to see how fast it's done, and your family is going to love you for it. So once again, it's goodbye. See you later from Cooking Around.